Good morning. Today let us see how to calculate harmonic mean. So harmonic mean for individual series. So here is the problem. Monthly incomes of 10 families in rupees in a certain village is given. Okay, this is the monthly income of 10 families in a certain village in rupees. So now how to calculate harmonic mean for this data? This is the x variable. So in case of harmonic mean, the first step what we have to do is we have to do the reciprocal of x, that is 1 by x. 1 by x. So here x values are given. 1 divided by x. So 1 divided by 85 is 0.01176. 1 divided by 70 will give you this figure. 1 divided by 10, 0.1. 1 divided by 75, 0.0133. So like this, for each x value, we'll find the reciprocal, that is 1 divided by each x value. So you'll get these values. Then at the end you have to sum up all these values, that is sum of 1 by x. So if you total these values, we'll get 0.34631, that is sum of 1 by x. So in this problem n is 10. Okay, n is 10. So now we'll apply the formula. Harmonic mean is equal to n divided by sum of 1 by x is equal to n is to n10. Sum of 1 by x we have found out here, that is 0.34631. So if we divide 10 by this value, we'll get rupees 28.87. This is the harmonic mean for these x values. So this is how we calculate harmonic mean for individual series. Next we'll see how to find out harmonic mean for discrete series. So in case of discrete series, the formula is harmonic mean is equal to n divided by sum of f into 1 by x. It is same. In case of individual series, there won't be any f. There won't be frequency. So we'll just take 1 by x. And if we multiply this 1 by x with the frequency, we'll get sum of f into 1 by x. So here is the problem. X variable and the frequency. So this is the x variable, this is the frequency, and what we have to do, the first step is 1 by x. So 1 divided by 6 will give you 0.1667. 1 divided by 7 will give you 0.1429. 1 divided by 8 will get 0.1250. Like this, for each value of x, we have to do 1 by x. So once we find out this 1 by x, then we multiply this 1 by x with the frequency column. So 4 into 0.1667, you will get 0.6668. Then 6 into 0.1429 will get 0.8574. So we have to multiply the values in the frequency column with the corresponding values in the reciprocal column. So you will get f into 1 by x. So you multiply the frequency with the corresponding values in the reciprocal column, you get f into 1 by x. So once you get f into 1 by x, you have to add up these values. Okay, total these values, and the total of this is sum of f into 1 by x, 4.1319. So once you get this value, we have to find out, we have to apply this in the formula. Okay, the formula is harmonic mean is equal to n divided by sum of f into 1 by x. So we need n. So what is the value of n here? So n is equal to 34. So n 6, 10, 19, 24, 34. So the n value is equal to 34. So now we have got n value and also sum of f into 1 by x. Now we'll apply it in the formula. So we'll get harmonic mean is equal to 34 by 4.139 is equal to 8.23. This is the answer. Okay. So this is how we have to find out harmonic mean for discrete series. Next we'll see how to find out harmonic mean for continuous series. So here is the x variable and you have the frequency here. Okay. X variable 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So in case of continuous series, the first step what you have to do is you have to take the midpoints. So how to find the midpoints? Lower limit of the class plus upper limit of the class divided by 2. So 30 plus 40, 70 divided by 2, 35. So like that you calculate mid value for each class. So it is calculated here. You got the mid value m. So these are the mid values and this is the frequency. Okay. So in case of frequency, if we total you get the n value. So n is 70 here. Then what we have to do? We have to find the reciprocal. Usually we used to do 1 by x. Here x is a range. So we cannot do 1 by x. We will consider the mid value. So 1 by m. 1 divided by 35 will give you this value. 1 divided by 45 you get this. 1 divided by 55 you get this. So like this you do 1 divided by m. For each m value you find the reciprocal 1 by m. Once you find out this, you multiply these two. Okay, f into 1 by m. 15 into 0.02857. So multiply the f column with the corresponding values in the reciprocal column. So you get these values. So once you get f into 1 by m, you total up these values, you add up these values, you get sum of f 1 by m. Sum of f into 1 by m. So what you have to do? Find out the mid values, then find the reciprocal, that is 1 divided by the mid value. After that you have to multiply these two columns. So you get the values like this, total them. So you get sigma f 1 by m. Then you apply the formula, that is n divided by sum of f 1 by m. So here n is 70. Sum of f 1 by m is 1.30034. So you get harmonic mean for this continuous series is 53.83. So in individual series and discrete series, what you have done? You have found out the reciprocals first. That is the first step. But in case of continuous series, you have to find out the mid value first, because you cannot find the reciprocal for x values. It is a range. So find the reciprocals for mid value. So this is how harmonic mean will be calculated for individual series, discrete series and continuous series.